guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is April and you are here with me at A.Typical Life. So today we are going to do the closet declutter. The closet is one of my most decluttered areas. I'll actually make a playlist for you because I have a bunch of videos on this. But here's the thing, my container is full again and I can't get anything in or out comfortably, and I have some decisions I need to make about some items I might want to return. And honestly, I just have no more hangers in the house. So when these things start coming together, I know what time it is. It's declutter, organize, tidy up time. I mentioned the container concept. That concept is named by Dana K. White. She's here on YouTube, and I just really resonate with her work. I feel like we could be friends. But like I said, my container is obviously full. The container being the closet this time around. Feeling a little overwhelmed. I took just a minute or two to think of the most obvious issues and if there was anything I knew that was causing an issue. So the good thing about regular decluttering is that you get back to this comfortable level kind of regularly. So it helps you quickly identify what might have changed and what might be causing the problem. Why am I now having a new problem? Have I been shopping too much? Do I have something new added in? And it's just, you don't have to tear the whole thing apart to start diagnosing what might be wrong. So problem one, identified. The very first thing that I'm going to do is I gotta get all of the holiday clothing out. I don't know if you all have stuff that you really only wear for holidays, but I do. And so I wanna get that stuff out because the holidays are over and that will definitely free up some space. And even better, I actually have a drawer that has empty space for these clothes because I just took them out and then, they go back in the drawer. The second thing I want to work on are my jeans. So I guess jeans, it's time to kind of update some denim, replace some denim. And I ordered some things, but I'm just not sure what I was wanting. So I thought that maybe I should try on the things that I got, look at what I have, and then try and make an exact list of what am I actually looking for. So I'm not just buying a whole bunch of random stuff. And then when I take these, jeans back, if I take these jeans back, I can kind of look around the store and see if there's anything that fits my specific need. Not an almost good enough item, but an actual item that fits my need. Okay, so I decided that I would return the duplicate color and try to get a lighter color, and that task is check. So third, I have the most leggings, but I wear them every day for either sleeping or working out every day. So I have a ton and I like to rotate them around for seasonal color stories. Sorry, I'm not super fashionable, but I do try to look decent when I am doing other things. But this is just my real life right now, not my fantasy fashionista version. And I need to make room for the things that I'm actually using. So this is just what I'm using right now. I got my leggings rotated in. I did manage to declutter some stretched out ones. They're going to be moved to the declutter drawer. I've talked about that in other videos, but that's where things go until I'm prepared to actually remove them from the house, until I have a whole load and we can go to Goodwill or have something to take to consignment or whatever. Lastly, I had a pair of jeggings going also to the declutter drawer, and then a few items that were hanging around since fall and were mostly out of season right now. So they went back into my drawers. One more note about the declutter drawer. Sometimes I'm not 100% sure, so that gives me a little bit of time to decide between now and then. That was kind of the thought with the jeggings and the leggings, to be honest. If you're curious, the drawers, so I use all of my dresser drawers for seasonal storage, and all of the clothes I actually wear, I hang them up. PJs and everything. Undershirt, tank tops, everything. I don't like wrinkles. I like being able to see everything that I have, and I don't like ironing. So that's just how I choose to do it. All right, so now we're done. We're wrapping this up, and here's the best news that I could give myself. When I started this, I felt very overwhelmed that I really needed to just take everything out and that I was going to have to do a painful declutter and make some really tough decisions. But after I did the easiest stuff, I realized that I would really just rather wait until the end of the winter season so I could declutter the clothes that didn't work for me or didn't get worn. So when winter first started, I put all the clothes in order, and then as I've worn things, I've moved them to the back. And so I kind of had a system going on anyways, and I would rather just continue on with that system. So in other words, I'm happy enough with the progress that I made today just by doing the easy stuff to try and just make it a couple more months before I do anything else to this area. And honestly, that's a really great feeling because it took way less effort than I thought. And I was really scaring myself that I had a bigger mess than I actually had. I'm playing catch up right now after being sick for like literally a whole month with pneumonia. So just being able to do this project quick and easy and give it a big check mark until probably March or April, you have no idea. That is just such a relief. In case you're wondering, it took me about an hour to complete and clean up this whole mess and put away everything. And that's, I don't know, that just feels really good. Because I just thought I had a huge mess that was going to take 3+ hours, honestly. So the lesson of the day for me and for anybody watching and wants to share in my lesson is to work smart and small and just start. Just start. Use your rules, follow your rules, do the easy stuff, don't make a mess, and just start. And you might surprise yourself that not everything has to be a complete overhaul every time you declutter. All right, guys, thank you so much. I will see you again next time. Bye.